Now let's set the record straight. You and I have a rendezvous with destiny.
Oh my god, hi, what's good? Basically, I'm just gonna go in all in, yeah, so let's go.
We cannot buy our security, our freedom from the threat of the bomb.
Oh well, you make mistakes, you learn from them, lads, girls and boys. Boom, 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 boom. Ow. And then you blend it in. Right, well that's all set and done. I don't know if I should add a powder, whatever it's called. I'm gonna go in with this cream blush, basic, oh god. I'm back. Okay, all these products are literally the same as in my October video of the autumn full makeup look. This is the cream blush. Definitely not enough there. Wow, I look cute. Is there blush anywhere else? No, I don't think so. It's a mystery. Okay, well now that's done, we're gonna go in with the Hollywood Bronze and Glow. This highlighter, what was that? Highlighter. Is it even doing anything? I don't think so. I guess that's enough bronzing. I don't know, I can't nice, nice, you're very good at it. Yep, and then we're gonna go in with the highlighter. I got this like Lip Tripper W7 holographic lip gloss thing. I basically use it as a highlighter now. So I put it onto my nose because it's like holographic, hence the name. I'm gonna put a bit on my lips, you know. I really want to get that lip job done, you know. Cause my lips are like hella small. It's like so annoying. But it's basically like you just draw sun rays and I love it. I came up with it one day and I was like so proud. I'm pretty sure like other people have done it before, but you know, like I haven't seen anyone do it, so. Okay, well that's so wonky, but you know, oh well. When I first got it, I thought it was freaking lipstick, so I put it on my lips and it wouldn't come off. And I was like, OMG, I'm gonna be like a freaking goth for the rest of my life. But then I washed it off with soap and I was like, phew. No. What is that? Oh well, never mind. You live and you learn and then you make those same mistakes twice. Maybe even a couple times. Kind of winging it, you know, why not? Oh my gosh, pun not intended. Winging it. So, on Valentine's Day, I went to a trip to London with my mate. And I drew this heart, unintentionally, something like that. And I was like, oh my god, I'm so smart. So, I guess we're drawing a heart, guys. Down, down. Wow, that is a good heart. Well, I guess that kind of worked. Let's add a little dot, I guess. Don't know. I feel like the Queen of Hearts right now, you know. Oh, yeah. And then I'm gonna do this. Well, actually, it kind of looks cool, I guess. I don't know. Oh my god, it's ruined it! Hi, nice to meet you. I'm the Queen of Hearts. Oh, what's your name? I look like a clown. NGL. No! No, I don't. I look like a drag queen. Let's be honest. Even though I'm like female, but you know. Oh guys, I just freaking ruined it. What am I doing with my life? So yeah, if you want me to do your prom makeup, I'm the G. What's it called? Eyeshadow. I don't think it's a good idea to put it near my mouth, but hey. YOLO. To be honest, that's pretty decent. I think it's pretty cute. See, like, you don't even need nip fillers. Yeah, nipple fillers, yep. You don't even need nip fillers, like, you could just do little, do this little life hack, I suppose. And then, boom, you got a freaking Kylie Jenner lips, you know. Let's go for some wild foundation, I guess. Foundation? Mate, are you high? I think you are. No, I meant to say let's go for some crazy wild eyeshadow look. Wow. That is wild. You're one crazy G. I do honestly know how kind of anyway. I do kind of know how to put foundation in, I guess, but just like, I don't know. It's not working out for me today, guys. I don't know what's going on. I feel like if I add, I don't know, let's go for like, ow, bang money! I feel like if I go for, I don't know, I feel like if I go for like, because I've seen them do this. If I turn blind after this, like, I don't know. I don't really know what to say after that. If I turn blind after this, well, you know you're an idiot. Ah! Yeah, that just went in my eye. Oh well, never mind. Yes, please, I'll have a bit of you. No, shall I add something to like my nose? I don't know, shall I go for like a snaky snake? Because I am a snake. I actually am in the, so I think it's the Chinese horoscope. Is it a horoscope? I don't freaking know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Up, down. Boom, shakalaka. It looks like I'm trying to go fishing with my eyebrow, but you know. You know, don't matter. Well, I guess we kind of got there in the end.